In this video we learn the operation Radial, and the operation Radial is run from the center to outside of the boundary. In this case, it runs from the center to outside of the around of this cylinder. So this nut is have a cylindrical shape, and it is round corner on the top, and it keep the flat at the center of the top. At the beginning of the program, we run the horizontal area, run all the flaps already, and now we run the radial, just run from the center, make the consistent with the toolpath consistency, run around the shape. Right click, milling tool path, and it's over here radial, and I select all of them for avoidance first, and I put the 0 for finish, and I select the entity for machining. And when we before we select all, and right now we select it, and it will be subtract the number of the surface from the avoidance before, and it's move over here, and we keep this center tool. We use the tool contact point because it never contact at the center all through toolpath. Sometimes it's over here, sometimes it's over here, sometimes it's over here, sometimes it's a little side. So that's why we use the tool contact point, and the tool we use the Korean ball and mill, and I run about 200 for steel. I run about this. I run about 1.5 for fit tooth and holder. I keep holder this. Maybe we don't need to, but I don't want to change this one now. We can put about 1 inches for make another tool, but we use this one. If we can record it at right on the top, it doesn't. Cut parameter. This is set the tool holder chain, and create a new cancel assembly chain, and it will be keep the two half before. Step over, I'll keep this first for run it to come out like this first to easy to track on the way how to run the toolpath first, and we change this smaller deep shallow, we run from the 0 to the 90 degree. That means run from the flat to the flat. And Z depth, we run follow the surface. And linking, we keep linking this one. We don't change this one now. This is only like arc and line when it's the start and trend in and exit out. And this we talk about it later in the surface. It will be make the more command G2 and G3 instead. They make many segment line small for make the arc feature. And plane, we use the WP top as before, and we run top as before. Cooling, we turn off, or maybe we use the fluid, or we use air blow. And this one, and we leave it for regenerated. And when it done, we can show the tool path over here. Tool path is made already, and click too much. One for it, this one for it. This we need to select the center point for over here. We click over here and we select the center point. Center point, and outer radius, start angle, end angle, 360, run thread, multi-threading. Make so smaller. Let's see. Step over 25. Scale up is only 610. Alright, and we run verify. It is run 3D Radial. can run compare over here. It still leave the stock with the torrent at the dark blue over 7,000 and the light blue is the 2,000 to the 7. Let's check this to turn off the toolpath first. We check the radius over here. The radius over here. Check the radius over here, here. This is 97 and the diameter is 195, and we run the tool quarter in, and it's too big and it will be clean up smaller tool. We run about 316. That's the 316 is 187. This 190 something. It is good enough. And tool, we change the 316 ball mill, and we keep this one to the this to the and okay, update, okay, update, and run the threading. Okay, and turn it on and run verify. Let it run it. Turn off the pot. You see the tool is run clean up all the stock first, and we turn off the pot. The pot will be mix up. The surface is ran already, and how to see right now we see that it clean up make the consistency the toolpath first, and we turn on the part to display the shape of the part, and will be mix up the surface turn out from the toolpath. And now it's run done. We turn it on, and we see it's mix up the surface, but it turned out really good. And we can check with the compare, and it show up how torrent is run it. Right now, green and yellow, that means plus and minus 1, and brown over here, this is the part, that means it's 0. It turned out good. This is 3D radial toolpath, and after we got everything over here done, we just adjust the geometry In this case, we cannot adjust geometry, add more over here to run two of them at the same time, because the center is only used for one, and if we use add the surface to over here, and surface over here will be use the center for this portion for and run to this portion, and will be run and it will mess up the toolpath. And the better way, we just copy it and paste it, and this we turn off this one first, we turn off this layer first, and now we turn on again. That means when we fix it, and it's only show up this, not show up as before anymore. And the geometry, we keep everything, we just change the geometry. I will be use O for the avoidance, and I use this for the next one. This one, this one, and select it, and we can see over here, and the toolpath cut parameter, the endpoint is not over here anymore. We change the endpoint over here, and it accept the endpoint over here. Okay, and it will be regenerated. Run the multi-thread over here, and right now it's not show up over here anymore. Over here is here, and we can run both of them with the verify. Alright, turn off the part. If we need to change the color for the different operation, change over here color, and we see the slide bar with a different color that will show up every single operation with different color. Right now it run the one node over here, and we can stop over here with stop operation, tool chain operation stop, collision, tool inspection, and proximity alert. This is when the tool almost crash, but actually it's not, it's nearly. And right now it's show up the alert is operation chain. That means it's done this, and it come over here, we play it. It's a different color. We can make Did only one color over here. Double click again, only click again, it will show up one color, different color, because I only use one color. For after that we run the compare, because I chose the blue for the positive 2000 over 2000 and over 7000, so that's why. Okay, it's run done, and we can run the compare. It's all good. Only green and yellow. Less than 1 minus 1. That's all for 3D Radial toolpath. Thanks for watching.